Hello, welcome to the another vlog of template sale. Today in this vlog we are going to show you about how to create a subscription form in WordPress website. We get lots of queries about the subscription. So for example, if you see here subscribers and here is email address and here is a subscription form for the sign up. So we got lots of queries about how to make this type of subscription form in my blog or in my website. So today we are going to show you about how to make this type of subscription in your blog. So before starting this video, I want to tell you something that for making this type of subscription form, you need to find out the perfect plugin for it. So before we start making this website, I did some research about which plugin is best and which plugin is easy to use and easy to handle. So I found out one best plugin that is called WP subscription form, which is totally a free plugin. So you can easily get it from WordPress.org, or you can go over here in the plugin section of your dashboard, go to the add new section. After that you need to source that plugin WP SUBSCRI, which is subscription form. You can, if you know the author name, you can easily go over here and find it via the author or tag or keywords. So I put here WP subscription form. You will get lots of results for the subscription form. Among them, you need to get this WP subscription form. This plugin is very new in the WordPress repository, but it is really awesome. So today I'm going to share about how to make the subscription form using this plugin. So it's very easy to use and it is very user friendly. So let's go install this plugin now. It may take few seconds to get installed, and after that you need to activate it and you can start making the subscription form. This plugin is really awesome because it has unlimited possibilities for forms. You can make as much as form you require. So click on activate. After the plugin get activated, you can see a menu over here, WP subscription forms. Let's check the menus. Here is the subscription forms list. Here is add new subscription form, and you can check the subscribers of your form as well. So let's add a new subscription form from add subscription form section. You need to, if you say this, the form status will be active. So for example, you need to give the form title. What will be the form title? Form title will be, for example, if you are going to put this subscription form in the sidebar, you can name it as the sidebar, homepage sidebar, or if the subscription form is going to be put in footer, you can say the name, the footer subscription, whatever. You can give the name over here so that you can easily know which form is in the particular place of your website. So you need to give the form name over here, sidebar SUBSCRIPTIN subscription form. You can name it whatever you need. Please check here, for example, for all the options. Success message, when the user gets subscribed, this is the subscription message. If the user is not able to subscribe it, this is the error message, and form error message over here. You can play with all these options over here, and now you can save here to save the form. After that, you will get this shortcode. Will you later use this shortcode? First check other parts of this form. Let's go in the form setting. Here is the heading. If you click over here, the heading will get enabled. For example, what will be the heading? Subscribe us for more updates. This will be the title. and you can give the subheading as well, like click here and get more recent updates via email, yeah, or something like that. In the you can make the name field in the subscription. For example, if you enable this, the name field will show over there. If you want to make the name field required, you can enable this required. If you off this, it will be optional. For example, your name, let's see over here. Email means enter your email. Yeah, now terms and conditions, you can enable it. You need to accept the terms and conditions. You also can add the basic HTML tag for link or something. You can easily add the link over here, as area or something. Yeah. You can easily add link over here as well. Let me put the hash link over here. Accept C terms and conditions here. Yeah. And the text of the subscribe button, yeah, you can easily write, yeah, subscribers would do. And if you want to add something after the subscribe form, you can show it here, thank you or something like that, yeah, or probably thank you is not a good text over there. After the footer, yeah, you can add something later on. I don't have any idea what to write over here in the footer. Now next, again save it over here. Now layout setting is really good in this particular plugin, because this is the free plugin and you have around more than 10 different templates. Isn't that amazing? Because every template have the different design. You can see over here, this is the template 1 design. Let's go with the template 2. This is the template 2 design. Let's check the template 10. This is the template 10 design. Isn't this amazing? Yeah. So let's go with the template 2. Okay, yeah. Okay, again you can save it, or we can do everything and you can save it at the end as well. Now email setting, yeah, from which email you want to send and from which name as well. So this is from email and this is from name. Yeah, if you are optional, and it will, please enter the form which you will send the email. Please enter an email won't resemble the real person's email, such as something. Yeah, that is something, some text. You can easily read those text as well. Save it. Now just copy this. If you click this, the shortcode will copy it, or you can double click and copy it as well. Just click over here and get the shortcodes copied. Now if you want to display this particular subscription form in sidebar, so go to appearance and then the customize section. Probably your theme support the sidebar, I guess so. Now go to the widget section. In the widget section you can see the probably the sidebar, and click add widget and find the text widget over here. Click this, put the set code. You can put the set code over here. Yeah, now you can see the preview over here. This is how your subscribe form will look like. Yeah, if you click the publish, the subscription form will be. This is the name section. Yeah, this is the email section. You need to check. Here is the link as well, and this is the subscribers. If you put the footer information, it will appear after the subscriber section. So this is really amazing and this is really incredible, because this form is really good. It is very lightweight and minimal. So we suggest you to use this form, and you can easily copy those shortcodes in the particular page or post as well to make the subscription form amazing. So hope you like this video. Please, if you have any questions, if you have any queries, or if you have any solution regarding this plugin, please comment below. Hope it's really easy to make the subscription from now. Happy blogging.